A lot of people that we meet say, Michael, I would love to start an investment property portfolio, but we've only got $5,000 or $10,000 in the bank. Often I'm meeting them, or we're meeting them at their own home. And when we delve a little bit deeper into their situation, we realize they've actually got equity in their own home that's sitting there not doing anything that we can actually unlock for them to start an investment property portfolio. Let's have a look at this example. Let's say the property that we're sitting in might be worth $700,000. And John and Mary have a loan there of $300,000 with the bank, yeah? So basically we have $400,000 in equity that at the moment sitting in their owner-occupier, their own home, is sitting there dormant, not doing anything for them, not earning them any money. What we can actually do is release or unlock this equity to actually create the deposit for their first investment property. Whether that be a $500,000 purchase, we might release $70,000, which could be the 10% deposit plus costs. So that's one way that we help our clients. Very, very often as well, we find that the clients have got this equity in their own home. They've got a credit card that might be maxed out, at 20K. They've got a personal loan that might be at 30K, and they're paying 18% here, they're paying 9% here. And we sit with them and we say, John and Mary, if we could actually just release another 50 here to wipe those out, this 50 will be at the rates of around 4%, because it's off your home loan, versus actually paying 18 and 9%, or whatever the case may be, on a credit card and a personal loan. So definitely worth delving in a little bit deeper, and that's what we do in what we call our discovery session, where we sit with clients for the first time, go through their financial situation, their goals and their aspirations, and we see how we can help them.